Today, we're diving into a topic that's super important for anyone using social media or building an online presence: the benefits of having followers. Whether you're a content creator, a business, or just someone looking to connect with others, having followers can really make a difference. So, let's get started. First up is increased visibility. The more followers you have, the more people see your content. This can lead to higher engagement, shares, and ultimately a broader reach. It's all about getting your voice out there. Next, having a large follower count can enhance your credibility. People tend to trust accounts with more followers, viewing them as authorities in their niche. This can be a game changer for building your brand. Another major benefit is community building. Followers often create a sense of community around your content. This interaction fosters loyalty and makes your audience feel more connected to you. With a larger follower base, you likely see more opportunities for collaborations. Brands and other creators want to partner with those who have a substantial audience, which can lead to exciting projects and sponsorships. Having followers also means you get valuable feedback. They can share their thoughts on your content, helping you understand what resonates and what doesn't, leading to better content creation. Now, let's talk about monetization. More followers can translate to more opportunities to earn money through sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, and product promotions. It's a great way to turn your passion into profit. With a bigger follower count, you can also open up more networking opportunities. Connecting with like minded individuals and professionals can lead to valuable partnerships and collaborations. Engagement is key on social media, and having more followers can increase that. Engaging content is more likely to be shared and discussed, leading to higher interaction rates. Now, interacting with a diverse audience can provide insights that contribute to your personal growth. Different perspectives can expand your understanding and enrich your content. Finally, a supportive follower base can be incredibly motivating. Positive feedback and encouragement can inspire you to keep creating and sharing your content. And that's a wrap. Those are just a few of the many benefits of having followers on social media.